Today we're going to be replacing a battery in a ProSeries smoke detector. Before doing anything, contact your monitoring center and put your alarm system in test. First, you want to remove the smoke detector from the base plate. Pry one end of the battery up to get it out of the smoke detector. You can do this with both batteries. Reinsert a new battery, negative side first, and then it snaps in. Then reinstall the smoke detector to the base plate by turning it, and it snaps into place. At this time, clear the alarm memory off your keypad.